Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 27 Reitz Parkway in the Pittsford Village area.
This is a spectacular mid-century modern brickfront ranch with beautiful updates.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This property's architecture has the much-desired mid-century modern ranch design, featuring a brick front, flower planter, and front steps with slate, and a classic front door. What a great way to welcome your family and friends.
Enjoy the ease and convenience of one-floor living. With an entertainment-sized living room with a gorgeous brick wood-burning fireplace and beam mantel, and gleaming hardwood floors. Open to the formal dining room with a picture window, and spacious kitchen with wood cabinetry, recessed shelving, and a breakfast nook. All with an adjacent powder room. The hallmark of this home is the cathedral ceiling sunroom with a wall of windows with great natural light and a sliding glass door to the backyard. This home also features 3 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors and a full bathroom with a jetted tub, including this expansive primary bedroom with a double closet and scenic backyard views, plus a lower level with pine walls and a built-in bar, great to finish for additional space or storage.
This property is beautifully landscaped on an estate-sized lot, nearly a half an acre. Reitz Parkway is an area of fine homes, steps away to Pittsford Village. What a great place to live. Here we are in Showing Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 27 Reitz Parkway in the Pittsford Village area.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!